Ni hao, foodies! Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're going to take you on a flavor-packed journey with a mouth-watering fusion dish, Chinese Veggie Cutlets with creamy white sauce. These crunchy cutlets are filled with a medley of vegetables and paired with a luscious white sauce that will leave your taste buds dancing. So, let's dive into this delightful recipe. Before we begin, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this scrumptious dish. Ingredients for Chinese Veggie Cutlets: 2 large potatoes, boiled and mashed. 1 cup mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, corn, boiled and finely chopped. 1/2 cup finely chopped cabbage. 1/4 cup finely chopped bell peppers, red and green. 2 green chilies, finely chopped, adjust to your spice preference. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon grated ginger. 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Salt and pepper to taste. Breadcrumbs for coating. Oil for frying. Ingredients for creamy white sauce: 2 tablespoons butter. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 1 cup milk. 1/4 cup grated cheese, optional. Salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Preparing the Chinese Veggie Cutlets. Let's start by preparing our delicious Chinese Veggie Cutlets. Step 2. Vegetable mix. In a mixing bowl, combine the mashed potatoes, mixed vegetables, finely chopped cabbage, bell peppers, green chilies, minced garlic, grated ginger, soy sauce, chili sauce, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Mix everything well until you get a cohesive mixture. Step 3. Shaping the cutlets. Now, take a small portion of the mixture and shape it into a cutlet using your hands. Repeat this process until you have made all the cutlets. Step 4. Coating the cutlets. Next, roll each cutlet in breadcrumbs, ensuring they are coated evenly on all sides. Step 5. Frying the cutlets. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the coated cutlets in the pan and fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy on both sides. Remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Step 6. Making the creamy white sauce. Now, let's move on to the creamy white sauce that will take these cutlets to the next level. Step 7. Preparing the white sauce. In a separate saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. Add all-purpose flour and stir continuously to form a smooth paste. Step 8. Adding milk. Gradually pour in the milk, whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Continue stirring until the sauce thickens and reaches a creamy consistency. Step 9. Cheesy option, optional. If you love a cheesy touch, add grated cheese to the white sauce and stir until it melts completely. Step 10. Seasoning. Season the white sauce with salt and pepper to taste, and it's ready to be served. Step 11. Plating and serving. Arrange the crispy Chinese veggie cutlets on a plate, and drizzle the luscious white sauce generously over them. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley or cilantro for added flavor and presentation. There you have it, our lip-smacking Chinese veggie cutlets with creamy white sauce. This fusion delight is sure to win hearts at your dining table. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting dishes from around the world. Until next time, happy cooking!